The assembly doors closed. We found the assembly gate, the one leading where the speaker uses, that gate was, there's a big chain and a lock. The governor's gate, VIP gate, was also under chain and lock. We wondered who did that, but as we would eventually know, it is a few grumbled members of the county assembly who feel that they don't want the speaker. I have not said this before, but the fight is not. I have no problem with the members of the assembly. I have no problem. Many of them are asked to come to me, are sent to, so that I may be cowered down so that I resign. It's nothing like that, let me tell them. Number two, if you may have known, there were some people who were waiting to be called, to be interviewed, to take my place last week. No advert anywhere. I have not been impeached because twice the assembly members tried to remove me, but those for me were too many for them to manage to remove me. So they have been unable. Now they're using these tactics of hindering the assembly from working. By today, as you saw, they even locked the door to the assembly. But thank God, we have had our assembly. The door has been opened. We have had our assembly. The chains they put on the gates were removed. I would still appeal to them. Let us work together as one assembly. Don't divide this assembly. Whoever it is, don't divide this assembly. We have enormous work to do, particularly starting from legislation, oversight, and representation. We have enormous work to do. So that being the case, I just want to tell you that we are on course. As you saw, we sat. We have ended the morning session. It normally ends at 12. That's why we are very brief. We have to finish at 12. We came out having finished what we wanted to do today. Thank you.